Hi everyone, I have Garmin Fenix 7 Solar and I would like to show you today the default watch face. This is the default watch face and I will go through all the elements of it and explain what does it mean and show what kind of settings we can change and what kind of data fields we can choose and what kind of data we can display on the default watch face. First, let me explain this sign. This sign means how much sun we are getting now. Probably it's doing some average for last couple of minutes. I was trying to find out exact algorithm how it works, but I could not. I asked official Garmin support, but they could not explain it very well. It's only about how much sun it gets, and it looks like that it shows like percentage of maximum possible solar light flux which is coming to the watch. Like there are 10 pieces, 10 different parts of this circle. Now it's all of them are gray and it looks like each of them represent 10% of the maximum possible sunlight. So if you have one, it's 10% of maximum solar light. If it's 10, then it's, yeah, we reach the maximum. I have some bright lamp here. Yeah, just some simple LED EK lamp, 7 watts power, but it will be enough to reach almost 100%. Let me show you how it works. Yeah, I put the light on and point it directly to the watch. Now I need to wait. Usually it's around 1 or 2 minutes that I will see some rings. Oh, now we got 7 red pieces or red parts. Let me explain how it works. Yeah, now we have some pieces are red, some are gray. It means we have some sunlight, and because we have 7 pieces colors with red color, I think it means we have a 70% maximum possible solar intensity, and 3 remaining gray parts means like it's 30%. It can be 30% more. Now it will stay like this, and at some point it will become gray, probably around 1-2 minutes. And meantime, let me explain the rest. What do we have on this watch face? This line below tells you about solar light or sunlight, but it's history for the last few hours because it's just the morning. I don't have any history, but I can show you how it was looking yesterday. Yesterday it was looking like this, and you see some spikes a few hours ago. It means there was some sunlight because I was outside and there was some sun. Now let me explain these numbers like this. What does it mean? It actually means time in 24 hours format, like 12 hours, 15 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours. And a small arrow here, it shows the current time. For example, now it's 10:09. Yeah, this is 9 hours, this is 10 hours, 11, 12, and it's just a bit more than 10 hours. This is why it's pointing here. This is showing exact time. Oh, now if you notice, we have only one red piece here. It means the amount of sunlight reduced to the 10%. And about this pointer, it's not just my guess, and about these numbers as well. I officially asked Garmin support, and they confirmed that yes, it's true. Its numbers are hours in 24-hour format, and this arrow is showing the current time. The next one, the red line here, I also asked Garmin official support, what does it mean? And they officially confirmed that it is sunrise and sunset. This is the point of sunrise, it's around 7:30, let's say 7:30, and sunset, it's around 20 hours, just before 20 hours, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes to 8. And if I go down, to the sunset, sunrise glance, then I see that it's yes indeed. Sunrise 7:31, sunset 19:38. And this is exactly what we see here and here. It was also confirmed by Garmin support officially. Now we got something here. It means we got some sunlight. Oh, disappeared. But yeah, this is how it works. What else we can see here? Here, of course, the date, 25, and the day of week, Sunday. I think that's it for default watch face. Now let me show you how we can change it. To change it, I need to press and hold this button, this settings button. Yeah, this is how it looks like after pressing. And I can use buttons for navigation, like to press this one to go inside, or the touch screen. Now I am inside the watch settings. This is indicated by this gray line here. If I press this button again, then I can see what I can change. I can apply changes to the what I already did. I can change layout, data, different colors, and delete the watch face. Let's start from layout. In the layout, I can scroll through different layouts by pressing down and up buttons. Yeah, I'm going to press the down button and scroll through all different layouts here. Yeah, that's it. Now let me show you how to change the data. Like I press again this one, scroll to the data. Yeah, I need to press this button. And this part is blinking. It means we are going to change now what we can see here by pressing this down or up buttons. Let me go one by one. This is what we get by default. This history of sunlight. This is looks like empty. I'll show later what it means. This is just the Fenix logo, date and day of week, date and months, steps, sunset, then the heart rate and the history of heart rate, something else. Looks like the latest activity. VO2 max. Yeah, calories. How many floors I went upstairs. And this again empty. And this empty. Yeah, this just looks like a stripe and two stripes. And then battery, Fenix. And yeah, it's coming again. Now let me go to this empty pieces. I will explain what it means. Yeah, like two stripes, one stripe, and if there is nothing, if I press this button again, then a small square appears and I can choose from different set of fields. Now let me show you what we can see here. Again, dates, different dates, heart rate, steps, calories, floors, intensity minutes per week. This is battery, sunset. It's my current elevation. This I'm not sure what is it. This is probably the calendar items, notifications, current temperature, maximum minimum temperature in a day. Some other stuff. Yeah, this one probably oxygen level in the blood. Yeah, wind or something. This is the icons what they have now. Like if I have alarm clock or music is playing or Bluetooth on is off, or if there is do not disturb mode is turned on. And now I'm coming back, and let's say I choose this one. Now I press this button again, and after pressing this button I'm going to change this part. So it's basically the same things as the upper part, but I'm going to show how it works. Yeah, this one for example. When you have two vertical stripes, you can choose 3 different fields to display, and the same when we have 2 and 1. But yeah, let me show how 3 works. Yeah, I need to press the start button again. Then this one is blinking, and I can change it, put some different things, select from the same list as before. If I press this button again, I can change next one. If I press the back button, I can go back and change, for example, first one. Yeah, this is how I can configure it. I think we went through all the data fields. Now let me show you a little bit how this part is working. Like I can switch off the Bluetooth or turn on don't disturb mode, and we'll see how to change. Before I do this, I need to save all my changes. I press the start button again, until I see the screen, and I choose the apply option. Now it's saved. And as we can see, I can see only 2 options here, that Bluetooth is connected and that I have alarm clock. Let me switch on the don't disturb mode. Yeah, this is don't disturb. Switch it on. If I go back, now it's on, and I can see that it's yes indeed. I have it enabled. If I switch it off again, then this icon will disappear. Now let me try airplane mode. And then Bluetooth disappeared, because in airplane mode definitely Bluetooth is disabled. Now I'm going to change different colors and to show how it works. Yeah, press again the setting button, go to Watchface and press the start button again. Now scrolling down, let's say this color. Let's change this one. And to change it, I'm going again choose this down or up buttons. And we see that this stripe showing sunset and sunrise, changing the color. And these are the colors we can see. I will return back to original red color now. And click start button again. Then I'm going to change the data color. So these additional icons, changing the color. I'm going to switch through all the colors again and go back to original red color. And a background color, what do we have here? Yeah, it's only 2 options, white and black. I keep the default one. And the last option is delete, but I'm not going to delete this watch face. And after doing all these changes, again I need to select this option apply. Now I'm going back to my home screen. I think that's it what I wanted to show you about the default Garmin Fenix 7 watch face. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye!